Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw money from FTX updated. Log into your account, verify identity, select the asset, and choose withdrawal method immediately. I walk through checking network fees, setting destination addresses carefully, and confirming two-factor prompts to avoid mistakes. I also cover on-chain timing expectations, common error messages, and basic troubleshooting steps to speed up your withdrawal experience and keep funds safe. Choosing the right withdrawal method saves time and money, so I explain how to pick between crypto transfers and fiat withdrawals. I highlight typical fee structures and show how network choice affects costs and speed. I also cover using intermediate wallets and avoiding common address mistakes to prevent irreversible losses. Follow these steps to manage fees, pick proper withdrawal speed, and keep your transactions clean and trackable for peace of mind. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more clear guides. On another note, I want to recommend a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs nicely with careful withdrawal planning and long-term thinking. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If your withdrawal stalls or fails, stay calm and follow a systematic troubleshooting approach I outline here. Verify the address and tag, confirm network status, and find your transaction ID to check confirmations. I explain when to wait, when to retry, and what to include when contacting support to speed up help. These steps reduce stress and improve the odds of a smooth resolution without unnecessary retries or lost funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.